guys, welcome back to A Blended Life. Today's vlog is basically just another day in quarantine. So today is Saturday. It's a beautiful day outside. It is cloudy, but it's not gonna rain. Fingers crossed. But I do hear the birds chirping, and I did look at the forecast, and it's just going to be kind of cloudy, sunny, in and out. So today we are going to be making pizzas, and yeah, so we're just going to be doing that. And hubby did go into work today. Yes, it's Saturday, but they did have some calls, so he's taking on this Saturday and next Saturday, which I'm so happy. At least he's working, right? So don't forget to hit your subscribe button and comment down below. And if you've made pizzas before, comment down below. Let me know. Let's get started. Saturday morning, I have to go to the store, so I'm doing my usual prepping, which these last me like a long time, but I gave hubby my batch because he needed another batch. He goes through his obviously much quicker because he's working, but I gave him my bag yesterday, so I'm making batch. Just kind of ram them in here, and I already made all these good to go. So yesterday got Emily this at Dunkin' Donuts, and it has, what's her name?
Charlidemelio.
D'Amelio.
The most famous TikToker.
Yeah, so I got
She has
Emily
the
this.
most
They let me buy some
She has
merch.
like 49.2
at Dunkin'
million
Donuts.
followers.
Emily, is that even cooked?
Yes.
It doesn't even look toasted. Hubby's going to work.
Yep.
How long are you going for?
Don't know. It's a leak in the attic.
A leak in the
A
attic?
leak in the attic. But it's cool because I got the Pro Press machine on me, so I can just go up there and be done.
Don't ever do that noise again.
Let's go next.
Ew!
Mama,
What?
this fruit?
Yeah. So I just ended up getting these. One of these is your guys' that you guys are going to share. Half will be Harper's, half will be yours, and then me and Kaylee are sharing one. And I found turkey, pepperoni, chicken, barbecue sauce, pepperoncinis, marinara, 4-cheese sauce, pineapple chunks, olives, Colby Jack, and mozzarella. And I finally got ranch, which won't last too long in this house. Okay, so I don't know if you wanted any of these, but they're turkey pepperonis.
No, I want
and
just
then
chicken.
the chicken.
I just want chicken.
Okay, so
This is almost done.
let me see. Put more cheese like that and around there. Ooh.
I love cheese.
All right, so Kaylee's making the barbecue chicken one. I'm gonna have pepperoncinis on my side. And are you putting the turkey pepperonis on your side too? Okay, so basically everything, the only extra thing is this one on my side. Oh yeah, and pineapple. I mean, not pineapple, olives.
I want some olives.
So, Harper. And this is Emily's. Okay, start adding your toppings, Harper. Actually,
like a
here,
lot of
pour the
cheese.
rest of that in there. Not the rest of it, but some more.
Harper.
This is
What?
Emily's.
Want my mouth? I want the pizza. Want my mouth?
Hold on, Harper, do you need any more cheese?
No.
Are you sure? Kaylee, that needs more
I know.
cheese.
That's what I'm
Can
talking about.
you cut up more olives, please?
Yeah.
I'm spreading the olives around.
Let me see yours, Harper. Ooh, good job. Oh, it's so good.
It's gonna be good.
It's like it looks like Dad's pizza that he gets from Mod Pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And I want some of these on mine.
Oh, you do? I don't want those on mine.
Which side's yours? Which side's mine?
This one's mine.
Okay. Yeah. Dad's gonna be so jealous.
Oh, yeah. I'm having some of these chicken
Great.
Talking.
Why are you dancing like that?
Yee. And I want some cheese sprinkled over the top of mine.
Same.
Besties, we share pizza because we live together.
What did you eat?
I had a talkie.
Oh, it's not a taquito.
Yeah, it's a taquito.
Taquito.
Taquito. Not sponsored.
Ooh.
Did you record this time?
Here's pizza. Hers is going in.
Toss me the iPad.
Hold on. Emily,
What?
yours?
Mama, did you disinfect this?
There's Emily's. Oh, you got all this cheese is gonna burn if you don't put it on the pizza. Try and get all this on the pizza.
Gee, oh yeah, I forgot we want our pepperoni on ours too, Mom. Ours is gonna be so good.
Kaylee, that probably took forever since it's so big.
Probably.
Ooh.
Did you put cheese on top of mine?
Yes, I did. All right, this one's going in. Careful. This is Emily's.
Toss me the iPad, Mama.
15 minutes. All right, guys, it's about that time. Oh, wow. This one's Harper's. This is Emily's. It needs to cool off then.
I'm gonna eat it still.
Mmm.
Good?
This is the best pizza I've ever had. That I've made.
Let's check on our mountain, Kaylee.
Yeah.
Okay, mine and Kaylee's pizza is out, and it looks so bomb. Looks so good.
It's so good.
I'm dying. We act like we haven't never ate pizza before.
I need paper towels.
Second piece of pizza.
You are? It's funny how this one disappeared, this one disappeared, this one disappeared, and left me with everything.